Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn an art form from Uttarakhand, which is another state of India. It is called Aipan. Aipan is also made in Uttar Pradesh, and these particular designs I have learned from my late grandmother. So let's start. To make an apple, we need a paper, or like I'm doing on the wooden plate. We need white paint. We need a 000 number brush. Today we are going to learn a round design, circular one. So we need a compass. Because this is a dark surface, so I'll draw with white pen and then I will paint it with white paint. Traditionally, apple is done on the red background or the geru color background, which is little orangish. Geru is a type of rock which is used. So first step, to give the border space. So this is a circular piece. So I will mark the midpoint at various positions. Its diameter is 15, so 7.5 I will mark at 5-6 positions, and we will see if it is correct or not, because it's very important to find the center, otherwise whole image looks very ugly. Even if it is a 1 millimeter difference, it will make a difference. So my center is this. Now taking this center, if you have a square paper, you don't have to worry. You just draw 2 centimeter border, out of which one you leave for framing and one for border. So now approximately, in my case it is approximately 7 centimeter. I'm drawing the circle. So this is the circle which you won't be able to see. I will draw here with white pen so that you all can see. Now we can give some simple design in this circle, like we can give leaf border, or we can give trikon kachni, or we can draw any other thing. So I'm just going to give, this is the hanging point in my plate, so I'm drawing triangle border. Now in this triangle border, we can do two things. One line exactly in the middle, then one left, one right, and one triangle here. This is one of the border design, okay, which we can follow. Now I have already drawn a border here on this plate, and this is double border, triangle, and then leaf. I'm going to tell you how to draw the design now. So in the center, take any lid, or if you have compass, use compass and draw a circle, small circle, maybe 2-3 centimeter diameter. This is the center. Then around this, we are going to draw these semicircles. Now, second round, we are drawing a plain circle, and around this, we are drawing triangles. Here, we'll draw a swastika. Now, this pencil mark here, I can take water and move it immediately and take a bird. This mark will go. So 2 layers are okay over. Now third one, we are drawing again semicircle joining the 2 triangles. Now fourth round is again a circle. We'll have dots in between. Then next round, normally these are done during the pujas, so we don't use the black color in this. Now in this, we are drawing the circles, and inside the circles there will be dots. Next layer is a special design. Please look at my hand. First you draw a circle, and then inside the circle we are going to draw a very traditional design which is used in most of the art forms, right from north to south. I'll show you here. This is the design. Now next design also I'm going to teach on a paper. See, we take the curve and rotate like this, and from this side also we'll rotate. Okay, so this curve will come like this. Now in the top, this is the midpoint for me. This design is called Tama, Ta-Ma, T-A-M-A, and the upper part of the design is called Mori and the lower part is called Penny. Penny means पैरों की तरफ की जगह, the place near the feet, and Mori means सिर के पास की जगह जो कि टॉप ऑफ द आइपन होता है. So this much is done. Now I will paint it with Fevicryl's white paint and Camlin's 000 brush. As usual, we have to take very little paint. Traditionally, it is done on the floor with chalk powder or rice powder or with atta. I always prefer to paint the upper part first so that my hand will not touch the upper part of painting while I am painting the lower part. उससे फ़ायदा ये रहता है कि हमारा हाथ ऊपर नहीं लगता है और ऊपर का पेंट जो है वो स्मज नहीं होता है. अदरवाइज हमारा हाथ लगकर ऊपर का पेंट खराब हो सकता है और मोस्टली हो ही जाता है. इसलिए ये हमेशा ठीक रहता है कि हम ऊपर का हिस्सा पहले कर दें और फिर हम नीचे का हिस्सा पेंट करें. To make a dot, keep your brush straight. Your paint should not be very watery. In olden days, they never used to have a compass. So they used to draw with the thread, circles. Tie a stone or we used to call it in Hindi khadiya, chalk, and then draw a circle. Now we are going to make penny. With this, our pattern is complete. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share the information about my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.